Focus on your visibility. Online visibility is more important than ever because, as you know, everyone is online all the time. The way that people discover, evaluate, and trust you and your business lives online these days. Personal reviews from friends and family are now coming from online reviews. A couple of stats for you. 97% of consumers search online for local businesses. 78% of mobile local searches actually resulted in offline purchases. Local SEO is more important than ever, and Google makes up about 90% of those searches. So how does Google decide? Proximity, relevance, and prominence. First, for proximity, how close is your business to the person searching? But Google can only know where your business is if you tell Google where your business is. And to make sure everywhere that Google crawls the web to find that information is the same. In other words, is your business's NAP,
I don't even know what that means,
name, address, and phone number, the same across all outlets? Google My Business, Facebook, Twitter, your website, yellowpages.com, Yelp, MapQuest. And before you say it, just because you didn't set up locations on those places doesn't mean that they do not exist. And not having them can be just as harmful as if the information was incorrect. The second is relevance. How does your business's keywords match what the searcher searched for? Is what your business does explained the same way using the best keywords across all your online locations? When it comes to relevance, specific is terrific. Third is prominence. Does your business have authority on the search subject? Does your business have online reviews from clients on Google My Business, Facebook, Yelp, dealing with the search criteria? Do you have content out there on all those social media outlets using the keywords that the searcher is searching for? Do you have links from other trusted sites that are coming to your website about that search subject? A couple other things that could affect your visibility is, do you have any paid advertisements through Facebook, Google, that go directly to the target market that you seek to speak to? And are you properly using your list to attract the right clients, eliminate the wrong clients, and stay top of mind with the people that already know, like, and trust you? If you can't say that you have all of these issues covered, a great place to start with us would be to go to freshfocusmarketing.com to get your free local SEO report now. This report will reveal to you how your business ranks versus your average competitors in local search engine results, how you rank in keyword searches and specific searches on Google, if you have listings on the most important citations out there, and if they're the same, which we've discussed earlier, how many online reviews you have, where they're located, and what your average ratings are if your Google My Business listings optimized, especially when it comes to other people that are competing in the same space as you. If you're easily found on social media channels, and there's more. It's a great resource. I encourage you to go there now, check it out. Yeah, we're going to get your email address, but the information you're going to get is far more valuable. Thanks. See you on the next one.